This certificate is presented to for being recognized as one of the awardee in the search for 2026 Outstanding Alumni during the third Grand Alumni Homecoming on May 21, 2026. Mario Lilian Duarte. Is presented to Ma'am Annalyn B. Ilan.
Ayun o, si President pala yun. Congratulations, President.
Same content of certificate of vote is presented to Sir Jobert Uling, ang ating bagong Vice President at ang ating bagong President.
Yun o. Sir Jay, may we introduce to you the newly elected Alumni President. He's beside you. Yes, it's Ma'am Annalyn. Congratulations naman sa ating napakasipag, ever supportive, si Sir Jobert Oning from batch 1982. Palagpakan naman po tayo dyan.
And the last certificate of commendation is presented to Ma'am Rani Uning.
Ayun, from batch 1993, si classmate. Congratulations, I am so proud of you. Ayun, mate, congratulations. Nakaka-proud talaga, from batch 1993. Congratulations. Pwede po bang last picture yung tatlong alumni, outstanding alumni? Pabalik po dito Sir Jobert. Para sa group picture po. Muli po palapakan natin sila. Si Ma'am Annalyn, si Sir Jobert, saka si Mate Rani Oning. Ayun, si Ate Marilu, Pinaparte. Si Ate Malu, tinatawagan si stage. Muli. Si Ate Malu, Ate Malu. Ayan, tatakbo na yan, joke. You know. Nakaka-proud kasi ano po, nakita naman po natin yung kanilang support, yung kanilang dedication. Hindi lang sa kanilang batches, kundi sa buong school sa anong matay natin. And God bless you all.